All right, let's work on dropping that breath a bit. Here we go. Do this with me. So make sure you're letting it drop down and out every time you take in a breath. And don't slouch. Stand up tall and relaxed. All right, let's do some that are a little longer now. Again. Try not to take an additional breath after you've let it drop. Even though it feels kind of like you might want to, or your instinct might tell you to, just go right from that drop. Let's do that again. All right, now let's do some shorter ones. We're going to do them on 2 counts and then keep going, okay? Feel that drop and go. Let's do that again. Now I want you to do it with very light energy, like this. The lightest energy. You might be starting to get a little oxygen, a little lightheaded now. That's good. That's your body getting in some oxygen. You're getting saturated. Not a bad thing. Let's do that a little longer now. We'll do 4 counts like that. But this time with more intensity, okay? I want air pressure now. All right, there you go.